Hey Nathan, what's going on here?
Hey Tommy, how you doing?
Good.
Well, the homeowner wants to tighten a few things up around the house, so we're going to start with this lower railing right here. As you can see, extensive damage to the lower part, and even the lower ballast has some punk to it.
Yeah, this looks like maybe some preparation work wasn't done correctly. We know whenever you make a cut in wood, you also want to make sure that everything is back primed, under primed, caulked and sealed, because water is the enemy there.
I brought some really good filler with me, some primer, and I got some railing stock that we can swap it out with.
Okay, want me to give you a hand?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so that should work good.
That looks good.
All right, you want to prime it on?
All right.
Okay, so what have you been up to since you left us at the Newton project?
I've been pretty busy doing a lot of my own work, doing some cabinet installs for the same company that did the ones over in Arlington.
Oh, great, great.
Really nice stuff.
Been working with your dad at all?
Yep, the cabinet stuff's all with my dad.
Yeah, that's good. It's always fun working with your dad. I enjoyed it a lot when I was younger.
It is. I like working with my dad. He always keeps it light.
Yeah, you know, learn a lot of tips too.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so this is coming pretty good. Now these top ones definitely are solid.
Yeah.
You can see some rots are happening right here.
Oh yeah.
So you can really see how some of these are. This one up, the first one here, which was close to the house, there's no rot at all, no water damage. This one's sucking up some water right here, and over time it's going to fail. This one is definitely punky and gone.
Yep.
This one's not so bad, but it's on its way.
This one's starting to get punky right here.
Yep, yep.
This one's gone.
That's definitely gone.
This one's just a little bit wet at the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you want to do to repair these?
This one's worse than I thought it was, so now I think I'm actually going to cut it off right here and make a new one and screw it back in.
Make a new base completely?
Exactly.
Okay, what kind of material you want to make that out of?
Probably pressure treated material.
Well, I would say pressure treated would be your safest bet here. You can paint it up and ease off the corners and blend it right in. You'll never know.
This one I think I can just repair.
Yeah, you can repair it. It's almost like if you're going to make some bottoms or bases, I would just probably make 2 or 3 bases.
Okay. And
repair them, cut them off. In the long run, I think it'd be fine. It'd be easier.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay. You ready to prime it?
Yeah, let's put a coat on it.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.